Well, hey there, John from Big Dreams Travel, and we are here today with a room tour of a standard room at the Disneyland Hotel here in Anaheim, California. Thanks so much for watching our room tour here. Make sure you subscribe to our channel here at Big Dreams Travel and click the notification bell so you know when we post other videos. Thanks for watching. Let's take a tour of this room here at the Disneyland Hotel. Alright, so when we come in here at the Disneyland Hotel, you can see we've got some areas to the left and the right in the room, and the main room over there that we will come to in just a second. But if I pan to my right, I've got the first half of the bathroom area, which is the sink and vanity with a mirror and some things you need like the hairdryer and all that is down underneath the sink. On my left is the closet. Pretty standard size closet with ironing board. This is an adjoining door here that we're not using. Love the touches here on the lampshades. So cool. And then across the little hallway is the restroom. Here to the left when I came in the door. And the shower area. Stuff on the wall, so that's here to my left as I come in, and a full-length mirror here ahead of me. And then as I go out into the room, I love how big, not quite floor-to-ceiling windows, but tall enough and big enough here in these rooms. But our two beds here on the left, they are the pedestal beds, so you can get things underneath them. Here in the middle is the nightstand with the phone and everything. There are a couple USBs here on the clock. That's how they get USBs in this room. We'll come back to this headboard here in just a second. To my right when I came in is the desk area. A bunch of charging options here now. You've got several outlets. You've got two USB-Cs and two regular USBs, so plenty of things here on the desk, places to charge. And then the television and the dresser area. And then here on my right is the mini fridge and the coffee area with a Keurig and then a chair to sit on. And then we're just in a standard room, so we just have a parking lot view. Here you can kind of see the Paradise Pier Hotel, and we can barely see a little bit of the Grand Californian and California Adventure over here to our left, but we will take it. You can see a little bit of the DVC tower that's about to open over here. We are in the Frontierland Tower. There are three towers here. We're in the Frontierland Tower. Of course, the awesome artwork of Walt here in this room. Love that. Love the pillows that come on these beds. And then the last thing, I'll flip the switch here on the nightstand. And you've got the fireworks on the headboard. So cool. So thank you for joining us here from the Disneyland Hotel. We hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our video down below, and let our dream designers at Big Dreams Travel know if you want to plan a trip. www.bigdreamstravelusa.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.